Hello, I'm Amr Ayad, Product Manager for the Oil-Free Air Division of Atlas Copco that handles air blowers and low-pressure air business. Low-pressure air below 4 bar gauge is being used extensively in the environmental and industrial applications, with different flows and different pressures according to the application needs. For the industrial application, typically low-pressure air is being used for pneumatic conveying, for material handling, for mixing of products and fluidization of material. For the environmental application, typically low-pressure air is being used for aeration of wastewater, bag filter wash, and sludge treatment. There are multiple technologies to generate low-pressure air. The three main, most popular technologies available in the market today are loop air blowers, screw, centrifugal. Within the centrifugal air blower, there are three main types: multi-stage centrifugal, high-speed turbo, and integral geared centrifugal. Each technology has its own space of operation and efficiency. For example, loop air blower are the best fit when it comes to flow below 500 meter cube per hour and pressure up to 0.4 bar. Screw blowers are more reliable and efficient within a flow range between 500 to 5,000 meter cube per hour and pressures up to 1.5 bar. Centrifugal air blowers takes over the flows for larger volumes. Different manufacturers recommend to go for a specific low-pressure technology depending on their expertise in that technology. However, if the user limits himself to a certain one technology, that can lead to miss a huge opportunity on savings and energy efficiency, complete integrity for different users and different use points of the low-pressure system. Atlas Copco is one of the very few global manufacturers who have expertise in all the low-pressure technologies in-house that can offer you suitable, reliable solution and most energy efficient with the lowest cost of ownership by combining different technologies together to give you a hybrid solution that can satisfy all your low pressure air demand with different profiles and different application to the best fit of each technology. Thank you.